Yes, first lesson. Okay, what is that our first lesson? Look at that, the king and the bees. What is that? The king and the bees. Only we are reading in the story, not it's giving any question answers. No, no. It's total is given to you only reading purpose. I hope it's reading. I hope you understand in this lesson. And now I will start that in lesson in second one. So what is that in second lesson name? Yes, trees. What is that our second lesson name? Trees. And how to it will work, how to it's useful to us in trees is given to you in this poem. Okay, and the second one, trees is given to you. And open that page number 8. What is our page number? 8. Look at that one. Yes, second chapter, trees is given to you. In this poem, some hard words is given. What is that in hard words? Look at that. Yes, kindest. What is that? Kindest. Hard words is some hard words is I will wrote on the blackboard. You must understand and read, and meanings also is given. The back side of your textbook. Look at that page number. Yeah, the down one is there in meanings. Okay, in this meanings and hard words you must read and write in your classwork one time. Okay, the first, what is the hard word is given? Kindest. What is that? What is that first hard word is given to you? Kindest. Yes. What is the spelling? Kindest. Kindest. Next one, harm. What is that? Harm. What is the spelling of in harm? Harm. Harm. Next one, simply. What is that? Simply. 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 Next, spread. What is that? Spread. What is the spelling of in spread? Spread. Spread. Next, shade. Next one, what? Shade. 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 Next, sleepy. Next one, what? Sleepy. 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 Next, gather. Next one, what hard word? Gather. Gather. Next, bugs. What is that? Bugs. Bughs. The trees branches is there. No. We call that in bugs. Next, leaves. What is that? Leaves. 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 Next, burn. Next one, burn. 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 Next, Halloween. What is that? Halloween. 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 Next, season is given to you. This is a spring. What is that? Spring. 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 Next, beams. What is that? Beams. 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 Next, floats. Next one, what? Floats. 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 Next, Dowsy lullaby. Next one, what is that? Dowsy lullaby. Dowsy. Dowsy. Lullaby. Dowsy lullaby. Read once again. Kindest, harm, simply, spread, shade, sleepy, gather, bugs, leaves, burn, Halloween, spring, beams, and float. The last one, Dowsy lullaby. In that poem, if you have that in one of the hard word is there, you must put the underline. Next is go to meanings. What is that? Meanings. And 4 meanings only is given to you. So what is that first one? Bugs. What is that? Bugs. The big branches on a tree. Yes, the big branches, one of the tree, the huge of trees, the big of branches is there. No, we call that a bugs. Okay. And next, beams. Look at that. Yeah, the spelling also BEAMS. Okay, BEAMS. Beams means a line of light which are called rays. What is that? Line of light which are called rays. Yes, it means on sunlighting. When we are sitting under the tree, that comes off in light, the sun of light, that we are calling beams. Next, dowsy. Next one, what is that? Dowsy. A feeling that you want to sleep. We can sleep on that night, no? On that time, we call that a dowsy. The feeling on that time, we call a dowsy. Next, lullaby, one of the song. Yes, a song that makes a child to go to sleep. The small kids, we can sing a song on that we call in song lullaby. Okay. the small child, small child, we can sing a song, we call that a lullaby. Okay ma, this is words and meanings given to you. Now let me start that in poem. Look at that, page number 8. And who one is wrote that poet? He has given to you Harry Van. Who's Harry Van? So what is that important to us in trees? Let us see. Inside, look at that. It is a poem about trees. In this lovely poem, the poet described the kindness and utilities of trees. Yes, how to it's the poet also it's totally described that in poem. It's how to important to us in trees and how to in helpful and how to is there in kindness in our trees is given to you in this poem. So look at this picture. One of the tree also is there, the huge tree also there, under the kids also sitting, and totally the three boys also discuss about that in trees. Okay, so what is the discuss about the tree? Let us see. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade of sleepy cows and gather birds among their works. Yes, trees is a very harmful to us. No, it cannot. They only kindest in our, yes, kindest to us. Yeah, look at that. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm. It is harmful to us. And trees, no, it cannot. Simply grows. The totally simply grow. The plant also totally observe that in water, sunlight and air. Then also it's grow fastly. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. On that time, the trees, the plants also it's a growth and it's become a tree, the huge tree. And who one is sitting on that trees? Who one? Number of birds. The birds also it makes a houses. Yes or no? But the huge of trees, the totally under that which animals is there? Yes, shaded. Yes, the shade of a sleepy cows, yes, and the huge of trees, the under that cows is there and gathered birds, yes, which one is there? The huge of trees, the birds, the huge of in birds, the big branches on a tree, yes, totally the birds also it's built there a nest, the totally sitting on the birds. They give us fruits in leaves above and wood to make our houses and offer and leaves to burn on Halloween. And it is the spring new birds of green. Yes. Look at that. What is given to us? Trees. Tell me anybody? Yes. Fruits also is fruits. Vegetables. It's also is given to us. Yes or no? Yes. The leaves also. Yes. Leaves and fruits. Fruits and leaves above. It gives to us and what is given to us? Oxygen, the fresh air. Yes, we also observe, we also take that in oxygen. No, which one is comes to air? Which one is comes to on that in air? Only in trees. Yes or no? That gives us to fruit in leaves above and wood. Look at that, the picture wood. We call that in this one. Yes, the wood also it's a makes of in house. We use that in fruits and vegetables and leaves also. We used in branches also. And one of the wood also we useful to us. What we useful to us in wood? Yes, it's a makes of in houses. And leaves to burn on Halloween. Yes, the Halloween one of the burns also in Halloween on that one. And spring season, the totally cutting on that in trees and it's come to cutting on that in branches, but it comes to grow which season? Spring season. Spring season it comes to grow in new leaves and fresh comes to the greenery also. They are first when they begin to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening change into the night. Yes, the trees, we also sitting under that in tree and it comes to that in sun rises, it comes to that light and under that in trees we also totally lighting. Look at that, the beams, a line of light which are called in rays. We also told to you. morning sun, they are the last and hold the light. When evening change into the night, sun is comes to that in tree, the sun also focusing on that trees, the smaller phrase is comes to in under, and the sunset on time with the weather also it's totally changing, the morning also it's totally changing to that night. And when moon float on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. To sleep children long ago, trees are the kindest thing I know. Look at that. And when we moon, that night also it's the sun rises in the east, sunrise in the east, sunset in the west. So totally sunset on that time the night will comes. And the night on that one, who one is comes, the morning's time who one is come, sun. And the night time who one is comes, moon. Yes, the moon floats on the sky, the night time. The hums a drowsy lullaby. This one drowsy lullaby means a song that makes a child to go to sleep. One of the smaller kid we sing a song on that we call a lullaby. Yes. The moon float, the night of time, the trees also it's moving on that air. On that time we are singing a song. They are humming a drowsy lullaby. The sleepy children along go on that moment. It's the children also go to sleep. The trees are very kindest things I know. Yes. So in this type of all be useful to us in trees. Okay, the plants and trees very useful to us. What we are given to us, fruits, vegetables and leaves. Totally we also use very important to us. The leaves also it makes in medicine also. Okay, medicine, and it gives to us in fresh air. We observe that what is that we are take that in oxygen and fresh air it comes to in trees. So tree is a very kindest thing. It's a given to you. The totally explain to you that poet. What is that poet name? Hariben. Okay, once you read in this poem. Trees are the kindest thing I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gathered birds among their birds. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new buds of green. They are first when they begin to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening change into night. And when moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. To sleep children long ago, trees are the kindest thing I know. Yes, it's totally is given to the in trees. I hope you understand, and you must write that in hard words and meanings and read once you in this poem. Okay, write in one time in your classroom. Okay, thank you.